If you notice, what I've done is I have my hydroponic container on casters, and it makes my maintenance easier. So what I did is I pulled the container out, and I did a lot of trimming after finding out that most of the leaves were suffering from the water drop and concentrated nutrients. And between the two plants that are in this, that really did not leave much vegetation. And the other thing that came into play is that the vines, in my absence, had grown quite a bit, and I had to come in and nip those to keep those shorter as well. The only other thing that I would probably end up doing is, since the plants have been producing for a while, I'm going to try to have them continue to be productive and then introduce some clones into this container after a brief cleanup. I've pulled all the blooms off the vines because the plant was in no shape to go ahead and convert those over to fruit. And the other thing is, inside the container, the root structure is massive. And since the plants are smaller, it would be a good time to come in there and trim up those roots before I do any water top off. So that is going to be the extent of what I end up doing to salvage this cucumber plant. However, as an added bonus, I did find there were 5 delicious looking cucumbers that were hiding in the vines that I was cutting, and so at least I'm going to get a nice dinner. Here are the 2 clone cuttings that I had taken from those plants, and you could tell that they're in a lot better condition than the mother plants. The one in the back with that big lush leaf is the original cutting, and the one that's in the front there is the newest cutting. They are in the process of rooting, and I have to be careful about leaving those in there too long because the cutting in the back is actually already starting to flower and set fruit. So hopefully this is going to be the answer that I need for setting up the cucumber grow container that I showed you just a bit ago. I just removed the plates from the top of that grow container, and now I'm getting ready to take a closer look at the root system. So the roots are still healthy looking. This is the electrical cord that goes down to the pump, and you can see the roots are clear down to the bottom of the container. Now, there's a couple things that I've noticed right off the bat, one of which is at the base of the planting sites. You see that drip? That should be a steady stream of water, but on each of the sites, that's all that's coming out. So that tells me that the pump is not able to do its job. And so what I'll have to end up doing is try to pull the roots off, get down to that pump. It has a filter on it, and get that cleaned off and see if that's all that it takes. So what you see in the trash can that looks like a lot of blonde hair is actually the roots. And the plants now still have a lot of roots, and that should help to revitalize the plant. And the pump section has a screw sitting on top, and I can access that through the shallower nutrient level right now by using a long bit Phillips screwdriver and just being able to lift that pump up enough where I can clean it out. And that should be all that it takes.